Welcome to Lab 2 Exploration of Skills. I'm your instructor Shreya, and in this video, we will be walking through step 3, part 2 of step 3, which is editing. So this is the thing that you need to watch right before you clip, mask everything. So let's get started. So from the previous video, this is what we have. And now in this video, I'll be teaching you how to edit the colors and thickness of elements in each layer so that it appears different. So the very first thing that you need to do is unlock the layer that you want to work on. Let's say I want to work on the park and green space. In my park, green space is colored orange, but I want it to look green. So what I would do is hide everything else except the parks layer, unlock the parks layer, only the parks layer, and click on the park, double click on the colors panel, choose a color like something like a green one, and create the same. So just select the layers and click on the eyedropper tool. That's how you color your park. Now that I'm happy with the color of my park, I'll just go hide this, go back to my bike lanes. So unlock the bike lane layer. My bike lanes have different kinds of color, but I want it to be all of the same color. Select one of the lines and double click on the line here. I'm going to use uh, darker green for my bike lane and increase the stroke so that it is more visible. You can also change the property, like I'm going to use a dashed line for the bike lane. And then, yeah, so I'm just going to select all my bike lane and then click the eyedropper tool and click on the property that you want to match. There you go, I have all my bike lanes. Um, Now I'm just going to hide this, go to trails and pathways. I am going to color the trails and pathway, unlock the trails and pathway first, and select a different color for the trails. I think I like it to be a little brown, dark brownish color. I also want to increase the strokes. This is the thing that I want in my entire trails and pathways, so I'll select everything and again match the property, and there you go, you have the trails and pathways. Now for the roads, I'm going to select the roads, one of the road, and I'm going to increase the stroke like up to 10 points, 10, 11 points, and change the color as gray, maybe some lighter shades of gray. Select everything else and match property. So now I have my roads. For the building footprint, I'm going to do the same. I have already selected a color that I like for my building, so select everything and I choose the eyedropper tool and select the color. Something like this happens. This is not what we want. So just click on the rectangle and delete it. Click on the other rectangle and delete it. And then you'll get colors for your building footprint. As for the base map, I don't have to do anything. I don't think I need to do anything. Um, so yeah, if you don't like the way your roads are, for example, I just don't like the way the roads are looking right now. So I'm just going to use some lighter shades of gray. Yeah, so that's how you edit all of the things. Just try to make it pretty, and then clip everything into the pink box, which we will follow up in the step 4 video. Okay, so in order to add the scale, just click on this button called Open Process Window, and you'll have the ArcGIS map processes, and then there's a map scale, and then just click on Add Map Scale and let it work. And once it's done adding, you will get a scale at the bottom of your map that looks like this. So this is the scale that you need. Now, we are not doing it in kilometers, so just go ahead and delete the kilometers, and you have the 1:8,000 scale, and I'm just going to edit it, and this is the scale. It's a very basic scale. You can even make it prettier, but for now, this is all you need. This is the scale that you need.